Eduardo Pinacho Sánchez, President of the High Court of Justice of the State of Oaxaca. René Hernández Reyes, Tito Ramírez González, and Ángel Alejo Torres, judges of the Criminal Chamber of the High Court of Justice of the State of Oaxaca. On 13 of May, Jorge Armando Félix Toledano, Judge of Control of the Judicial Circuit of Valles Centrales, Tanivet, presided over the hearing of the criminal case 203-2021 against Lisbeth V.H., Juan Antonio H.M., and Johan Ricardo M.M. On that day, he charged them for the probable participation in the forced disappearance of Claudia Uruchurtu Cruz. In exercise of the right of defense, the accused filed an appeal against the judge's resolution. The appeal hearing will be held on 5th of July 2021 at 11 a.m. Mexico time. In keeping with the Mexican Federal Constitution and the National Code of Criminal Procedures, the investigation file provides sufficient evidence to establish the crime of enforced disappearance and the likelihood that the accused, including the former municipal president of Nochixtlan, committed it.
Referring to this crime, the Mexican President Andrés Manuel López Obrador declares the following on the 11th of May. It was very painful that what has just happened in Nochixtlan, in Oaxaca, where a social fighter disappears, an investigation is opened, and a participant as protected witness declares that she had been murdered, and that the order had allegedly come from the municipal president of the Morena party, and the instruction is, whoever is responsible, let the case be clarified. We did not come here to perpetuate corruption and impunity. Given this, we demand that the members of the criminal chamber maintain their adherence to the law when settling the appeal. In doing so, we expect a fair and legal process without overlooking international human rights standards in the field of enforced disappearance. Only this will guarantee justice for the victims. The judges of Oaxaca State Judiciary System must comply with the principles of legality and consider the magnitude of the responsibility to punish and eradicate impunity in the commission of this type of crime. It is a debt owed to the victims, the families, and society at large. It is only through a fair and legal resolution that access to justice, to the truth, and to the reparation of damages could be guaranteed in due time. We trust that the judiciary in Oaxaca State will listen to the voice of the victims and heed their demands for justice. We are vigilant of due process and will not rest until Claudia is found.